What's going on? Good morning to class 703. And if you're watching this, it's because I am not here. I am at a professional development um, in Brooklyn. I graded the exit tickets yesterday and your synergy collaborative exercises from yesterday, and I'm not happy. Actually, you should have those in front of you. Now, I don't know how much or how long or how many times I'm going to have to go over these type of problems. You guys aren't practicing. Obviously, you're not, because I'm getting the exit tickets back and they're not what they're supposed to be. So let's start with the exit ticket. Okay, it says Mario wants to buy a jet ski that has a price tag of $1,225 on it. That's the price tag. I don't know how many times I said that the price, whatever's on the price tag, that's the original price. You should know where that goes. Then it says if he gets a 23% discount. Wow. So out of the 100%, the total, 23% of it is a discount. Then it says how much will he end up paying for the jet ski? That's one question because we have a question mark. And then it says how much money does he wind up saving because of the discount? Because of the discount. That's two questions. So just starting there, you know you have two things to answer. So why am I getting exit tickets with one answer if there's two answers? There's two question marks, so that means I need two answers. So what do? Start off with the formula. And you should know by now, you should do this in your sleep. The formula is percent over 100 is equal to the part over the whole. Part and whole. Now let's plug in. Oop, not holes, whole. That's your first step. Step 2 should be, what can I plug in? Well, you know the 100% is always going to be on bottom. And that lines up with the original price. The original price is right here because Mario wants to buy a jet ski that has a price tag of $1,225. So that's on the bottom. That is the original price. 225. Up here, he gets a 23% discount. So 23 out of the 100 will be discounted. 23%. And now, what does it say? How much money does he wind up saving because of the discount? How much will he end up paying for the jet ski? So first, let's find out what this 23% is as money. Let's put an X there. This is just setup. Step 2. Step 3, we cross multiply. We always start with the X's. 100 times X, that's 100X. And that is going to equal to whatever 1,225 times 23 is. Let me do that off to the side for all of those who are still having problems multiplying. So this is my answer here. Now when I say equation, this is the equation. When you cross multiply, you get an equation. 100 times X is 100X. 1,225 times 23 is 28175. This right here is your equation. So in that third box where it says equation, this is all I want. I don't want you to start putting lines under. No, this right here is the equation. So what's my third step? If you look in the box, it says cancel out the coefficient to get the variable alone. So let me just rewrite the equation. Cancel out the coefficient. I want to get x alone. I have to divide by 100. That's going to give me my 1x that I need. So 1x is equal to, I'm going to divide by 100, and I'm going to use the trick. Since I know the decimal point is here, if I'm dividing by 100, just move it twice to the left. 1, 2, and that's my answer. 1x is equal to $281.75. Or you could do the long division, which would be just 100 divided by 28,175. You would still get the same thing. But when you're dividing by 100, you have to know how to use the tricks. So now the important thing to know is, what is this answer right here? This is why I say you were trying to solve for x. So you could actually plug this right back in for x. And now we know that x is equal to $281.75. All right? So this right here is the discount. All right? This right here is the discount. This is how much money he gets off. He gets $281.75 off. But what was the original price? The first question is, how much will he end up paying for the jet ski? So we know that the jet ski, the price tag on it was $1,225, 0 cents. But he wound up getting $281.75 off. That's how much he got off. So I need to subtract that. So this is how much he winds up paying for the jet ski. So this right here is my FP on my final price. So, okay, how much will he end up paying for the jet ski? Right here, $943.25. How much money does he wind up saving because of the discount? He saved this, $281.75 saved. And that's it, guys. Simple as that. I don't understand what the problem is. We do these problems time and time again, and you guys are not reading the problem. You're being lazy. You're doing things that I never done before. You're not paying attention to detail. The process does not change. Only the numbers do. Or maybe it's a reading comprehension problem. For that case, we got to speak to Miss Hunt. I do want to give a shout out to Shannon Lawrence. Your exit ticket is actually in the back somewhere. I don't know where, but it's probably in the back on the closet. It's there because she's probably the only one that pays attention to detail in this class. Let's talk about the synergy. Jared bought a computer for $456.78. This price included a 9% sales tax. So what was the original price of the computer? Oh, okay, I don't know my original price. That's what I'm looking for. And how much money did he pay in taxes alone? So once again, that's two questions. What was the original price of the computer? Question mark. How much money did he pay in taxes alone? Another question mark. So still, if there's two question marks, why am I getting one answer? Percent over the 100 is equal to part over the whole. First step. Second step, let's set up and see what we have. Okay, let's see. I know that the 100 is always there. That's a giveaway. Equals. Now let me look for my original price because that lines up with the 100. Ooh, what is the original price of the computer? We don't know that. They're asking me. So that must mean that X goes there. But I do have this price here. All right. I know this is my actual side where my money goes. So I know that $456.78 goes here. But now what percent is that? Okay, wait, it says this price included a 9% tax. Okay, it includes a 9% tax, but it also has the original price in it. So this price right here is the 100%. It's the original price plus 9% tax. So it should be 109%. So silly you for all of you guys who put 9%. And also, some of you are leaving off this 78 cents. You can't leave off 78 cents. The only time you drop cents is when it's 0.00. Okay, so let's see. What's my next step? I don't know. Maybe the last is the same step in the last problem. Maybe it's cross multiply. Find my x, do it first. 109 times x is 109x equals what? 100 times 456. I know the 100 trick. When I'm multiplying by 100, I'm going to find my decimal, move it over twice. I'm not going to go through multiplying that. So that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 45,678. What's my next step? Well, let's stop there. This is the equation. That's all I want in box 3. Once again, same thing. The process doesn't change. So now what's next? The fourth box, it says cancel out the coefficient to get the variable alone. This is the variable. We want to get it alone. Okay, so let me go back down here. I got 109. X is equal to 45,678. Cancel out the coefficient. 109. He's gone. Whatever I do to one side, do to the other side. 109. Now I have to divide these two numbers. $419.06 equals 1x. But what does this answer mean? That's a big problem y'all are having. You plug it back into your proportion. You know that is 1x. So now you can get rid of this x right here, and now you can put your answer you got there. So that means that $419.06 lines up with my 100%. So that means this is my original price. So now I could put this is the original price. Original price. Cool. All right, so what was the original price of the computer? I got that. Now it says, how much money did he pay in taxes? Okay, well, how can I find that? Well, the original price was $419, but he bought the computer for $456.78. So why don't I see if he bought it for this? I need to see what the difference is between this and the original price. And then whatever's left over from here should be the taxes. That's what's left over, so this must be what I paid in taxes. Shout out to the lockers who all got $35.72. So nobody saw this mistake right here. Yeah, the lockers. Darian, Bradley, China, Adriana, and who's the other one? Andrew. Yeah, you guys right over there. Yeah, you guys right there. I know we say synergize, but also check your answers, all right? Because once we start getting, if nobody sees that mistake, then that means that you all literally just copied one person. So now maybe on today's synergy and maybe on today's exit tickets, you guys won't make so many errors, and I have to make a video for 701 because they're tripping out too. They do what they want to do too. They don't pay attention to detail. And now the time is, what time is it? 9:22. If you don't believe me, it's right here, 9:22. The beautiful pregnant wife is home alone, but I have a job to do and I have a dream, and I have the dream is for at least 70% of my kids to be proficient. Everyone's not going to make it because everyone's not going to put the work in. But that's my dream, from 60 to 70 of my kids, 60 to 70% of my kids to be proficient, because coming in, I think maybe only 30% of you were, if that. I think that's a high number also. Proficient means level 3, at least a level 3. So I need to get out of here soon because I have about an hour drive back home. You won't see me till Thursday, but maybe you'll see another video tomorrow. Please work hard on your synergy exercises. Material, guys, make sure you have all your materials. Make sure everything's back in the folders. Timekeepers, keep yourselves on point. Keep yourselves on time. You should be finished this task in about 20 minutes. You got a double period, and then you're taking an exit ticket. All right? And remember, these exit tickets are graded as quizzes trying to get your grades up. But if you make crazy moves and crazy mistakes on your exit tickets, they're going to actually start bringing your grades down. And for some of you, your grades can't even get any lower. So do what you got to do. Mr. Robinson, I'm out here, and I'm going home after I make this next video. Math so easy. Peace.